everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, God Gift Expectation channel. You are highly welcome. Yeah, we have assorted. Look at it. So we have rice and vegetable. These vegetable contain a lot of vitamin, as you can see. I prepare it with chicken and a crayfish. Crayfish, and we call it gambas here in Spanish. So you stay tuned and watch. If you're on diet, this is the kind of vegetable you need to be eating every day. Okay, so stay tuned and watch. Please share this video as you do. May God bless you. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here. Put it in all so that anytime I upload video, it will notify to you. This channel is all about MUKBANG, motivational, and many more. So stay tuned and watch. I'm going to use fork on this eating. Let me eat like Oyibo today, so that people will not say, you always eat like Africans. Let me eat like Oyibo today, even though I'm not perfect on it, but I'm trying. This vegetable contain green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and many more. What is this right called? If you live in Spanish, arroz de integra. I will look for the meaning, then I will put it in comments. Okay, so this arroz, if you are in diet, this is the kind of arroz, brown rice. Okay, I'm speaking Spanish, I'm sorry. So this is the type of rice you need to eat, brown rice. Okay, it's good for diet. Very tasty, delicious, yummy. In it. Because as a pregnant woman, you need a lot of, sorry guys, because there are little bits of noise because of the bike. So if you are pregnant, all those things is good. This is my first time trying of preparing this kind of vegetable. Adding all those things. Yeah. What is this called? I can't really remember the name. Good for diet. I drink a lot of water. A lot if I'm eating. Can you do that? Eat a full egg. Put it in your mouth at once. Put full egg. You are doing camarera. And you met a plate, someone is eating. Maybe this person just get up to restroom. What will you do? maybe the person just leave the cookery like this. Sorry guys, just leave it like this. You still know, even though the plate remains small, still know that, excuse still know that the person is still eating. They have not done with the food, okay? Because when the person is done with the food, it's going to pack it one side. So just know that if you don't know, learn that. So I've done eating. Put it on one side. I really enjoyed this food. So delicious. Please share this video. Let this video go viral as you do. May God bless you. And I appreciate every of my fans, those that always take their time watching my video, those that share my video. And may God bless you all. May God bless you all. And may God also meet you at the point of your needs. I love you all. This is for you. Please, if you are new on this channel, subscribe. This channel is all about MUKBANG, motivational, face tutorial, etc. Okay? So, you are going to enjoy this channel. Anything you can think of. So God bless you as you do. Bye bye. Leave your comment below. I love you all. Ciao. Gracias.